Nah, bro. Drake bias, bro.
Iceman, baby. Bro, we went so. Just to give you a heads up, yeah, we came back from Canada how long ago?
Yeah. Toronto.
How long ago was it now again?
About a week ago. Yeah, I'm still jet lagged, bro.
Jet lag a little, that's why you see like the bags under my eyes.
And
It's the
that's
money I
not-
brought back that Drake gave me. Joking, man.
He's sucking something. He's sucking something.
But yeah, so we brought ice back from Canada. Yeah, so
straight out of Canada.
straight out of Canada. But yeah, what do you think about these public stunt?
But nah, I think it's cool. That's
I think
very
it's
creative.
goated, bruh.
But when's the ice gonna melt?
So
Then they I think saw videos of the fire,
Yeah, yeah,
literally
so-
like melting the ice with water.
yeah, but because the bride must got the date must.
Who got the date?
It's the 15th. Other bro, it's a streamer.
How?
He got like so inside the ice was like a bag thing.
But how far inside the ice?
You see, that's the thing. It was actually it was quite deep. But you see, the people were chopping from the side in Drake gave them a hint to start from the top because he knew it wasn't that deep in. So
Oh.
the person got it, and then he went to Drake's house. Then he called Drake to say, "I got your bag. I got the bag." So now we know Iceman is coming, and also just to give you a heads up, a live listen, and you can watch the YouTube video afterwards if you're not there for the live. But make sure you're there for the live.
Do we
TikTok.
know how many tracks, albums, songs? Do we know anything?
We don't know anything more. We just know that it's releasing the 15th of May. And there's no more YouTube episodes being dropped anymore. Someone personal messaged him and he replied to them. No more teasers, it's coming.